Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you this fun finder. It's a 2017 212 VKS, and it has a V nose on the front of it, and I'm going to show you, we're going to start here on the back with some nice features and we'll work our way around to the front. So here's your entry door kind of on this back corner. It does have a power awning almost all the way down the side of it. You have outdoor speakers, your water heater is here, you have some satellite hookups, and power. If you have power too, you have power outlets. You have a nice barbecue attachment here that spins around. You put the barbecue on it. The barbecue comes with it. It's actually in the front bay right now. As you move your way around this guy, I want to show you, it has a couple nice storage bays kind of up on the front. It's a little different nose on this guy than most trailers. Your water hookups, your dump station are back here on this back corner. Well, let's jump up here real quick. So you have a front bay here. You notice it doesn't go all the way through. It's kind of an interesting setup, and I'll show you inside why, because the bedroom is actually right here. You have your propane tanks are here. Nice magnet catches up top to hold them. You have two 5-gallon propane tanks in there. Your freshwater fill. You're going to have your front bay here for storage. And then as you power your manual crank jacks around the unit for stabilization. So this is what I'm saying. It's a different kind of front cap on this. It has a front nose. But as you make your way kind of around this guy, you can go inside here. Let's go and jump inside and take a look inside of it. So right when you kind of enter in the unit, you got a lot of your manual boards here that's going to tell you your tank levels and everything nice accessible here. You're going to have a DVD player sound system here. This is your fuses and breakers accessible. It has a nice closet across the back of the unit. For not a very big trailer, this does have a lot of storage, and it also feels very spacious with the cathedral ceiling in here. Rear kitchen, or excuse me, rear bathroom. Bathroom at the back. Residential type kind of shower surround there. Big shower, nice skylight, well lit. You make your way around the unit. You have a central vac to this unit as well. You have your big dinette and a slide out. You have your front bedroom area. Now this is what kind of makes this more of a couple's coach. You have your bedroom here, you have a curtain, and there's a mattress in here, but we have your front kind of closet area as well. So it kind of gives a nice fishbowl effect, well lit, lots of room, drawers, storage all over. Closets, nice colored wood, LED lighting, vents, all kinds of goodies. TV here, view it from bed, view it from the dinette. Nice kitchen, lots of drawers in here, lots of storage everywhere. Microwave, flush top Suburban cooktop. Now it's nice to just be a flush top, be able to use it, and then you can flip this up out of the way and be able to use your cooktop as need be. Dometic double door fridge, stainless sinks, pot filling end. You're going to have nice lighting, nice fixtures. This is a nice coach. It is a pre-owned inventory. It's very clean, looks like it's hardly used. My name is Kirk.Blair. I'm happy to show you this piece or anything out here that we sell here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. My phone number is 541-601-8742. Please give me a holler. Thank you so much.